mannequin. And if this subject falls with emergency items you should have in your house. One of the emergency things you should have in your house are glow sticks, which are useful just in case you have a blackout. Mostly, all you have to do is just shake them, then break them, then they'll be glowing for about a few hours. Mostly, or the only issue is that the chemicals in them are also deadly. So you shouldn't be trying to drink them or insert them into your bloodstream. Mountain Dew! I love Mountain Dew! Yummy! Hey, what are you doing? What do you think I'm doing? I'm drinking Mountain. Not again. Well, let's say he's dead. Well, I think that's all that we have right now. Thank you for coming.